Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn profitable daily affiliate commissions. And I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account. I'm going to give you all the tools and resources and the system that I personally use to generate these results. So first of all, I'm going to show you some proof here, then I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm live in my Warrior Plus account, and what you'll see first of all, we are going to go further into the history, but first of all I want to show you the last 7 days. So what they do is, this is the date here on the left hand column, this is the earnings column here. Now what you'll see here is they give you really good stats and data. So on the days where you don't make any product sales, with this system and these tools you can still earn, oops, let's get rid of that pop-up, you can still earn daily passive income, but it's profitable daily passive income. So let me show you how this works. So no sales on the 30th of April, but $15.71 in recurring income. No sales on that day, but $14 in recurring income. No sales on that day, but $12 of recurring income. No sales on that day, but $8 of recurring income. No sale, 143 cent sale, $7 of recurring income. $31 in sales, but the recurring payment there, $8. And then this is today, where we are today, the beginning of the day in United Kingdom. Now, a couple of really important things here before you decide if you want to go on this journey. Now, the first thing is, let's just move this over here. The first thing is the profit. So you'll see here in the last 30 days, the income is $511. Now, this system costs me $35. Now, you don't have to start with $35. I started this journey with a $5 product. But the total of what I'm showing you today is $35. That's what I've spent in the month. Now, I use free traffic, so if you deduct, go onto my calculator here, if you deduct $35 from 511, you'll see that the profit is $476. So we've got $476 profit. Now, the key to success with affiliate marketing is to get into profit, because once you get into profit every single month, you can then start to scale up excuse me, and build any affiliate business or offer online. So $46 we put in there, a P for profit. Now, the key thing here is that, number one, what I'm going to show you a bit later on the video is profitable passive income. So this is how you earn passive income with these products. Now, number two, which is really important, number two is that you're going to earn multiple income streams. We're going to call that MIP. I'm going to show you multiple income streams. And let's call it MIS, multiple income streams. So profitable passive income and multiple income streams. And also, I'm going to show you how to earn potentially high ticket income, call it HT, high ticket income, without even having to buy high ticket income, without even having to buy the high ticket products yourself. I'm going to show you how that works as well. So it's important just to note there that this is how things work. Now let's go a bit further back into the history. We're going to delete that and get rid of our little box. I'm going to go further into my account. I'm going to go into transactions. And then what we're going to see here is I'm going to go on to 250 rows per page, just to give you an idea of the multiple income streams that are coming in. So just bear with me on this. It's important that you see the proof before you decide you want to embark on this journey. So in the last 30 days, now in the bottom, what you'll see here is the dates. So this is American format. I'm in the UK here. 7th of the 4th. So we're looking at this. We're looking at these these three here. So on the 7th of the 4th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 commissions came in on the 7th. On the 8th, 1, 2, 2 on the 8th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the 9th, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 10th. So you can see here on the 11th, 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple income streams. Now, what you can see on the right here, these are monthly recurring payments, 23 months in a row, 21 months in a row, 13 months in a row, 14 months in a row. So as we scroll down, you can pause the video at any point you want and you will see multiple income streams. On the 14th there, 3 came in. On the 16th on here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So eight incomes there. 17th, 18th. So you can pause the video at any point and you'll see that every single day for the last 30 days, commissions have come in. And that takes us up to current day. Now, yesterday was a new funnel. This one here, today, that's not a traffic product, that's a funnel. But apart from that, every single one of those is a traffic product. So now we've shown you the proof, let's just have a look now. So I showed you the monthly recurring. These are the new members coming in here. So what you're doing is you're going to build up a membership database. These are all new members coming in. You'll see on May the 5th yesterday, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we scroll down here. So it's important to know that these products are in traffic. Everyone needs traffic. Traffic's an evergreen niche. Everyone needs more and more traffic. But these are autopilot buyers traffic sites. So you're helping your referrals automate their business. If you're like me and you've got a full-time job, then when you're at work or when you're asleep or when you're out with your family and friends, you can promote your offers on autopilot to buyers. Right, let's have a look now at the resources, and then I'm going to show you the system. So I'm going to give you all my funnels. So there'll be a link in the description with an email address in, and if you buy any of these products, or if you're already a member of any of these products and you want my funnels, done for you funnels, then just send me an email and I'll send them across to you. So the funnels work very well because I put proof videos here. You don't have to do the videos. I do all the selling and telling for you. Your prospect will put their email into there. Then in the funnel, they get taken to a welcome page. Now, the welcome page is where I show real proof of the potential, not just of the product itself, but as an affiliate and how to get into profit as an affiliate and get your traffic for free and start to earn this profitable passive income and multiple income streams. And then what happens is you put your affiliate links into here, and then when they click here to join the ClickEngine, which is one of the products, you're going to earn the commissions. And Leads Leap is the platform we use to create the funnels. So you can even earn an additional income stream and passive income with Leads Leap. So I'll just show you that. Where's that? Not there. Bear with me. Okay, it's here. So if I just refresh the page here, so even as a free member of Leads Leap, you can earn monthly recurring commissions, but you'll see here another monthly recurring income stream with Leads Leap. So the total income is 1,184 with Leads Leap. It's not just Warrior Plus income, but also monthly recurring income with Leads Leap. As a free member, 25% monthly recurring income for all your referrals. As a pro member, 50% monthly recurring commission. So that's the lead capture page and then the welcome page. Now with the welcome page, for you to clone this funnel, I do all the video tutorials down here. So if you watch those, perfect for beginners, step by step. All you do is watch those video tutorials and then you can just follow the simple steps and set your funnel up. All you're going to do is copy and paste these codes into Leads Leap and you'll completely clone this funnel and show you how to put your affiliate link into that button, into those buttons there. I even give you all the email follow-ups. So it's important that you follow up. If you don't follow up, then you're unlikely to earn commissions. Your prospects have got to see an offer up to 7 times before they decide they want to buy. So I do 7 emails here, all written by hand, not ChatGTP or AI, anything like that. And I show you in the videos how just to put your affiliate link into there. And that goes out on autopilot every single day after someone's opted into your lead capture page. So let's have a look now at the system itself and how this works. So I've done a video. This video here, I called it how to get your buyer traffic for free, but it's a lot more than that. It's how to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus. I'm going to pin that to the first comment below the video you're watching now, and can also see on there all the 5 products that I promote. Now, just to show you some proof that this actually works, we're going to go back into my transactions of all time and just show you the long-term bigger picture of the potential of this system. So if I go into my all-time in my Warrior Plus account, you'll see it's loading up now. And so far, I've sold $20,700 of products. I've earned $10,359 in commissions and 2,303 products. I was going to touch on, which I will do shortly now, where you can earn multiple income streams. Let me just go into that here. I think it's on this page here. So with these products, the click generator is one product. Now, what's important to note is that these traffic products have been created by traffic experts. So you're not only going to get quality traffic, you'll see here John Cornetta and then his colleague, his business partner, Frank Salinas down here. They've got 20 years experience combined in the traffic industry. They've sold over 4.7 million clicks. And what they've done is with the click generator, you're going to get your affiliate link here. And then if I click on products here, then what you'll see is if any of your referrals buy any of these products here, you'll earn affiliate commissions. Now, they've got high ticket products in here for thousands of dollars. Now, if anybody buys that traffic that you refer, as they go through the system, you can earn an $850 one-time commission. You can earn a $600 one-time commission. You can earn a $200 one-time commission. So you're promoting one link to earn multiple income streams that can also include high ticket as well. I've done lots of other videos on that. Before we close, I'm running short of time here. I've only got 15 minutes. I'd like to mention the income disclaimer. We're not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. Just showing you what works for me. And if you've enjoyed the video, please click subscribe, give me a like. And here's my channel. I do several uploads, new uploads every single week. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.